teeth.
Thank you. I got new marbles.
What'd you get, Brody? What is it?
I like it. Nobody knows. Yeah, nobody.
What'd you get, Jacob?
Hey, I got something to wear tomorrow.
Brody, Jacob, you like it? Show it to me. I want to get a picture.
Brett, look.
Do you like it?
It's Buddy.
Brody, you like yours?
How did you take it off?
What are you going to name it?
Her name is, I don't know. That's what the name is.
Brody, do you like it?
No.
Why not?
It's weird.
You get to play with it
It
tonight.
looks weird. Is this really the gift?
Yeah, don't you like it?
I get something to wear tomorrow.
Bradley likes his necklace.
Oh, because it's in it. And the jewels are shiny.
What? You can't re-gift it.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you, son. I'm glad you like it. Oh, Jacob likes it. Brody,
What?
well, you can play with Jacob. They're twins.
No, it's cool. Just sit right there.
And Brody hates it, don't you?